Hello everyone, myself Pratibha Sonone from Shri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Rasiklal M. Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, Chinchwad, Pune. Today we are going to see about the adulteration of crude drugs, part 1. After watching this video, you will be able to learn about introduction of adulteration, types of adulteration, conditions or stages of adulteration, methods of adulteration, reasons for adulteration, and measurement of adulteration. Now first we will see the definition of adulteration. What do you mean by adulteration? Adulteration, it is a practice of substituting original crude drug partially or whole with other similar looking substances, but the latter is either free from or inferior in chemical or therapeutic properties. That means you are substituting the original or genuine drug partially or totally with the similar looking substance or which is morphologically same. But the second one, it is either free from or inferior in chemical constituents or therapeutic properties. Or in another words, you can define adulteration as debasement of an article. Or adulteration, it is broadly defined as admixture or substitution of original or genuine article drug with inferior, defective or otherwise useless or harmful substances. That means you can mix two drugs. One is the original one and another is the inferior quality drug or defective drug or useless drug or harmful substance. Some terms you will find here. Adulterants. The adulterants must be some material which in both cheap and available in fairly large amounts. That means the drug is available in large amounts in the market and which is cheap one, in quality also and in price also. Second term, substitution. It is the addition of an entirely different article in place of that which is required. That means you are substituting the original drug with the another drug which looks morphologically same. For example, supply of cheap cotton seed oil in place of olive oil. Now we see different types of adulteration. There are two types of adulteration. First one is deliberate adulteration. It is also called as intentional adulteration. And second one is accidental adulteration. It is also called as indeliberate adulteration. First we will see deliberate adulteration. It is also called as intentional adulteration. These are normally commercial, mainly with the intention of enhancement of profits. That means if you want to increase the profit from the drug, that time you are intentionally adding a adulterant to the original drug. Second one, indeliberate or accidental adulteration. In this occurs normally, naturally occurring, accidental, careless or by ignorance and non-harmful. In this type of adulteration, you are not adding any another adulterant or drug with the genuine drug. This type of adulteration occurs naturally or accidentally or due to the carelessness while handling the drug or by ignorance, and this type of adulteration is non-harmful. Now what are the reasons for the adulteration? First one, confusion in vernacular name. Sometimes it happens that some drugs are having similar pronunciation of the vernacular name, due to which there may be chances of confusion while understanding the drug. Second one, lack of knowledge about authentic sources. Sometimes you don't know the authentic source of the drug and you are collecting the drug directly from the crop. Third one, similarity in morphology. Some drugs, they look same in morphology. Means they externally the drug looks same as that of the original genuine drug. So it causes confusion while collecting the original drug with the adulterant. Fourth one, lack of authentic plants. That means you are not authenticating plants and you are directly collecting from the fields. Then unscientific collection. That means due to the morphology you are collecting adulterated drug instead of the original drug. Then high price of drug in the market. Some drugs they are very costly in price, due to which to get the profit the person do the adulteration. And last one is with the intention of enhancing profit. Now this type of adulteration will be performed when you want high price or high profits from the drug. Now we see different conditions or stages of adulteration. The term adulteration or debasement of an article covers a number of conditions which may be deliberate or indeliberate. That means intentional or indeliberate. First one is inferiority, second one spoilage, third one deterioration, fourth one admixture, fifth one sophistication, sixth one substitution. Now we'll see these terms one by one. What do you mean by inferiority? It is a natural substandard condition. That means naturally the crop is inferior in quality. For example, where a crop is taken whose natural constituent is below the minimum standard for that particular drug. That means in this drug the chemical constituent quantity will be less than that of the standard drug. Second one is spoilage. It is a substandard condition produced by microbial or other pest infestation which makes a product unfit for consumption. Third one, deterioration. It is the loss in the quality or value of an article due to destruction valuable constituents by bad treatment or aging or to the deliberate extraction of the constituents. Then admixture. It is the addition of one article to the another through accident, ignorance or carelessness. For example, inclusion of soil on an underground organ or the co-collection of two similar species. That means you are mixing two drugs, original drug plus the adulterant drug accidentally or due to the ignorance while collection or while handling or due to the carelessness. Next one is sophistication. It is the deliberate addition of inferior material with intent to defraud, that is to cheat to get money. Such materials are carefully produced and may appear at first sight to the genuine drug. That means you are producing same drugs but which are inferior in quality and which are having same morphological characteristic that as that of the genuine drug. For example, powdered ginger may be diluted with starch with addition of little coloring material to give the correct shade of yellow color. Substitution. It is the addition of an entirely different article in place of that which is required. That means you are substituting the whole drug with the another drug which looks morphologically same or which is cheaper in price or cheaper in quality. For example, supply of cheap cottonseed oil in place of olive oil. I hope all of you understand what is adulteration, different types of adulteration and in which conditions this adulteration occurs. In next video, we will see the different methods of adulteration and measurement of adulteration. Thank you.